I'm going to show the pic of her latest cosmetic procedure. She's apparently had a hairline lowering procedure after sparking speculation she had gone under the knife in an Instagram video. Here's a clip.
A pic of stitches along her forehead, Chrissy writes, I had a hairline lowering procedure. Lost a lot in the front from babies and it's just very thin up there.
Yeah, she looks great. If this makes her feel more confident and more, you know, secure in her look, then yeah. She has said that she got the procedure done after her hairline had lowered from having kids and the person that she had gone through. So yeah, I feel like she looks great.
The cookbook author who shares kids Luna, Miles, Essie, and Ren with husband John Legend goes on to explain why fans may not have noticed her hair loss over the years, saying, when you see it on a carpet, it's always extensions. Anyhow, I'll share more later if you're interested in the journey, because it really is a journey.
To subscribe for frequent news updates. Bye.